Hi, I'm Tony. You're at Pop Pop's Workshop. Just a quick video today. I wanted to share just doing a bunch of odds and ends things in the shop today. One of the things that we're working on are some cheese slicers. I really like making these, a little kit from Woodcraft. It's $13 for the small kit. I think a couple bucks more for the large kit. And ironically, I'll share with you my failure. This had been a large cheese board, but I've really been having trouble drilling the longer hole for the long. My drill press is kind of small. I haven't shown that on camera, but if you saw it, it's an older one I got on Facebook Marketplace. Great place to get some older tools. It's small. It does smaller things perfectly. It's just not quite big enough to drill the long hole. So that was a bit of a challenge. Made a little boo-boo on it, but I fixed it, and then immediately proceeded to cut my groove for the cheese slicer on the wrong side, which meant it wasn't going to work. So fortunately, this was big enough. Cut it down. Now it will be a small cheese slicer. Hopefully that'll go better than the last one. Another of the things I'm working on today is just got one of these four-way clamping systems from Wood River, the Woodcraft store. So I love having Woodcraft like 30 minutes away. It's great. It's easy to get to when I want to get some of these things. And it's about $50 for one of those. So it's cheaper than some of the alternatives out there, but I wasn't sure how well it was going to work for me. So I just picked up one. I had a 2x4 for another project left over when 2x4s were expensive and I couldn't get many of them. Unfortunately, they're coming down in price, thankfully. But according to the instructions, if I make my clamping system 3 feet or less, you can take the 2x4, rip it in half, and then get two out of there. So with this 6-footer I can get theoretically four clamps out of it. So that's what we're going to do, rip that down and make one of these clamps this afternoon as well. So that's on my project list. But I really wanted to show briefly my newest shop PPE, which is my Katz Moses shop apron. Jonathan, this is phenomenal. It is a great shop apron. The one thing I got to buy is a nice little square to throw in there, but plenty of pockets, which means I have more tools to buy. It's a horrible condition to have, but I got pockets to fill up, means tools to buy. So hopefully you guys are being safe in the shop. You're wearing your PPE, your eye protection, and your hearing protection, or isotunes, or whatever it is, to make sure you're saving your ears. You lose those things, they don't come back. So hopefully you're staying safe in the shop, you're staying warm, you're staying out of the wind. We've had some wind here. And hopefully it's been a good day for you. We're having a good day in the shop as well. And so thank you for watching these videos. We never take for granted that you're watching. We appreciate it greatly. And look forward to talking to some of you maybe in the comments or out in different groups or watching some of your videos as well. So you have a great day. And remember, you can do